Hello, and welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for manifesting your desires. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed, and let's begin. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let go of any tension in your body as you continue to breathe deeply. As you breathe, imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you, wrapping you in its loving embrace. This light is filled with positive energy and power to manifest your deepest desires. Now, bring to mind whatever you wish to manifest. It could be a specific goal, a dream, or an intention. Visualize it clearly in your mind. See the details, the colors, the people involved, and the emotions you feel when you achieve it. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any doubt. Let go of the limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Trust in the process of manifestation. Now imagine a blank canvas in front of you. This canvas represents the universe, ready to bring your desires to life. In your mind, start painting this canvas with your desires. See them unfolding with every brushstroke, as if it's already happening. Feel the excitement and joy as you create this masterpiece of your desires. With each stroke of the brush, you are sending your intentions out into the universe. Now, repeat after me. I am worthy of my desires. I am deserving of abundance and happiness. I release all negative thoughts and beliefs that do not serve me. I am a powerful creator, and I am manifesting my dreams. As you continue to paint your desires onto the canvas, trust that the universe is working with you to bring them to reality. Feel the energy and connection between you and the universe as you co-create your life. Take a moment to bask in the feeling of gratitude for the manifestation that is unfolding. Feel the joy, the fulfillment, and the abundance that is coming your way. Let's take some time to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, counting to 4, and exhale slowly, counting to 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed and open to the universe's guidance. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you breathe, imagine a beautiful garden filled with lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and a sense of peace and tranquility. You are walking through this garden, and with each step, you are moving closer to your manifested desires. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze against your face. All around you, the universe is supporting your desires, bringing them to life in this garden. Imagine a magnificent tree at the center of the garden. It represents your dreams taking root and growing stronger. Visualize your desires as fruits hanging from the branches, ready for you to pluck. Approach the tree and take your desired manifestation from its branches. Hold it in your hands, feeling the weight of its reality. Know that it is now yours to manifest in the physical world. Now slowly open your eyes and come back to the present moment, knowing that your desires are on their way to you. Keep your mind and heart open to receive the opportunities and guidance that the universe will provide. Thank you for joining me in this 10-minute guided meditation for manifesting your desires. You are a powerful creator, and your dreams are coming true. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. May it be filled with positivity and hope.